So what is up, guys? Nick here, helping you to master your technology, and welcome to the Apple AirPods 2 review. Now I realize I'm a little bit late to review AirPods. I didn't even review the first generation, but a little story about that. I never was really into, these wireless headphones like this, these smaller ones, and mostly because I wasn't so sure about the battery life. I typically use headphones like this. These are the Sony 1000X M3s right here, noise canceling over the ear. I typically like those because they block out a ton of noise. It's like you're in your own little world. But when I got the Galaxy S10 and Samsung was kind enough to send the buds for free with that device, naturally it sparked my curiosity to try out the AirPods 2, and here we are. So I've been using the Apple AirPods, and I now want to share with you what I think about them, my review of the Apple AirPods 2 with wireless charging case. Okay, so when I first got these, the unboxing experience of the Apple AirPods 2 with wireless charging case was pretty similar to every other Apple product. Simple to open, clean looking, simple minimalistic box, and a little plastic that covers up your product. You go ahead and lift this thing up in here, and then you have your little lightning port to charge your AirPods, and that's about it. Simple as it gets, easy to open up, and I just felt like, I did with any other Apple product. It's an Apple product. So enough about that. Now, in terms of the AirPods 2 themselves, the design, what I really like about the design of the AirPods 2 is a lot of people pick on it for looking like dental floss, but at the same time, this is a really small and light compact case right here. It actually feels a little bit smaller than Samsung's Buds case, you can see right there. So really small and very easy to carry around. Probably also very easy to lose. Now you can see right here, this light will light up when you are wireless charging. Let me go ahead and demonstrate that to you. So I'm gonna zoom in a bit so you can see how it looks when it does start charging. And you can see the light will come on right there when you place it on a Qi compatible wireless charger. Okay, so exploring the other elements of the design, we have the hinge right here. That's what that little piece of metal is, as you can see when you do open it. Opening it from the front reveals those ear pod looking AirPods. These are just like AirPods, but they are wireless versions. If we go ahead and open them out, you can see there is a lot of technology going on in those guys though, so don't be fooled. And then if we go over here and pull this one out, and then I show you the inside, you'll see that perfect slots for your AirPods. They fit very secure in there. They don't wiggle around or nothing like that. So that's a great thing. And then if we go ahead and close this up and we turn it around to the back side, you'll see a little button right here. That's if you need to disconnect or reconnect the AirPods. At the bottom, you do have yourself the lightning port, no USB-C. So when Apple does decide to go USB-C, you're going to be left out with these AirPods 2 right here. Now you can see right here, just again, very light. And overall, I got to say, prefer the Apple AirPod 2's design. The case is nice. Overall, I do like them. Okay guys, so in terms of the AirPod connection, we have Bluetooth 5.0 on the 10R as well as the 10S, 10S Max. You have it here in the AirPods 2 as well. This also has the H1 chip, so connection should be very fast. Now to connect them, you just open up the case and it'll show your AirPods. I'm already connected. It'll just say connect, the little button will say connect. It'll tell you your battery life right here. And it just looks so polished when you are using these, at least the splash screen right there versus some other headphones. So this is one of my favorite things about the AirPods is just, it's a very polished experience when using it. Close it up, that will disappear. And let's go ahead and open it again and it will just reappear again. Alternatively, you can go over to this tray right here and you can see the AirPods case as well as, it says Nick's AirPods right there, how much battery life is in them. So managing battery life, connecting the AirPods 2, it's seamless, it's super fast. One of my favorite things about it. I don't know if any other wireless headphones like this connect this seamlessly because these are fantastic. So what's nice about the AirPods 2 is you can say, hey Siri to them and it will respond to your commands. And that's nice because these are not super feature rich when it comes to what you can do with the AirPods itself. They only have tapping features, no buttons like that. And they skip tracks and they don't do a lot with the tapping. So having Hey Siri, it makes these a lot more functional. I did like that feature a lot. Hey Siri worked very nice. One thing I absolutely love about the AirPods 2 is that you can listen to one headphone, put that guy back in its case, wherever side it goes, let that one charge up and just use this one all day and then use the other one, and you can get through the whole day without ever having to stop. If you're, an avid music listener, you go on and on and on with your listening, or you're watching a video for, hours at a time. You're watching videos, you can use one at a time. That's also good for safety as well, because you can hear the ambient sounds around you. Although I was able to hear quite a bit of ambient sounds even with these in, as they don't have noise canceling. Overall, I find them pretty safe to use, as well as pretty good when it comes to ability to use one at a time. Okay guys, so when it comes to the Apple AirPods 2 wireless case, you do get about 24 hours of battery life, which is nice with the case. Now themselves are going to be about 5. Now I don't know about you, but if you're going for a run, you're going for a bike ride, 5 hours, that's quite a long time. So I think by the time you're done with your run or your bike ride, or even if you're laying in bed watching a movie, most movies people aren't watching for 5 hours. So you'll have time to pop them in the case, go use the bathroom, go get something to eat, and they'll be charged back up enough to get you probably through your next session. So I don't find the battery life to be a problem with the AirPods 2. One area where I actually have tried other wireless headphones where the AirPod knocks it out of the park, the AirPods 2, is the call quality. I'm actually experiencing fantastic, crystal clear calling on these guys. So the best thing about the H1 chip is the speed to connect, as well as having no delay in the music. Everything never dropped out. It was just super crystal clear all the time. And that's what I love the most about these. No static, nothing like that, no lag, nothing like that. So that's one of the best things, is they just work flawlessly and seamlessly, and that's kind of good because, a lot of Apple users just expect their products to work, and the AirPods 2 do just that. So with the AirPods 2, I didn't like that these were available only in white, because, Galaxy Buds are available in black and I think yellow or something like that. Now, I don't like how they stick out of your ears though. So, I really like to see buds that are they go in the ear, because this just looks kind of awkward sticking out of my ear. I just don't really like that. So if Apple found a way to just make it top portion, that would be quite amazing here. But it's pretty obvious when somebody's wearing AirPods. It could be a knockoff you're seeing, but a lot of times it's probably the AirPods if you see something sticking out of somebody's ear like that. So I just don't think that's great design. I don't like that they don't have noise canceling, because I'm really big into noise canceling, and these don't cancel out a lot of noise. It's good for safety if you're outside, doing activities. It's good for that, but I like noise canceling sometimes as well, at least a feature to turn that on or off. Now, as somebody who cycles a lot, I sweat a lot. So this thing right here, not sweat proof. So this makes me nervous about, riding for long periods of time and sweating in them. If you guys have AirPods and you're like a cyclist or a runner, a jogger, anybody who sweats a lot, let me know if you had any issues with your AirPods 2. Repairing AirPods are not the easiest task. So if they break, you might run into some issues, unless you of course go to Apple. They might just give you a new pair if it's an Apple Care under warranty. Other than that, there's also alternatives that kind of correct everything I said that I don't like about these, like Apple's own Power Beats Pro. So if you want to, get different colors, you want to get a little better battery life, you want to also get sweat proof, you're serious about your wireless headphones, you might want to take a look at their just announced Power Beats Pro. They're a little bit more, but they offer quite a few more features. Overall, for this price point, you can get much cheaper and better sounding headphones, truly wirelessly earbuds as well, with much better battery life. But what you don't get is the seamless connection, the polish of the AirPods, the small design. I mean, this thing is simple. This is simplicity in headphones defined. Now, yes, Apple had to bring something like this because they removed the headphone jack from their devices, which angered a lot of customers. And this was an excellent way to bring in more revenue to the company. But at the same time, I actually think this is an awesome device. And you've seen that they weren't wrong in bringing this thing out, as other companies are starting to follow suit now. And I think a lot of people do like this truly wireless generation of headphones. These AirPods are perfect for the people that like to keep everything Apple in their life and just want things to work. For the money, that's the only thing. These are not cheap. They come in at $200 for this wireless charging case model, which is the one you probably prefer since you're wirelessly charging your phone. You want to charge your AirPods, you want to charge your watch. So these are a little bit more than, a lot of other competing headphones out there. But if you value simplicity, you want to be in the Apple ecosystem and you just want it to work and you don't care about all that, extra sound, extra battery, all the extra little features, sweatproof, you just want simple working, good wireless headphones, you'll love the AirPods 2. And if you look at the reviews and how they're always sold out all the time, I think customers agree. That's it for me. That's my AirPods 2 review. I will be keeping them. I'm not returning them because I think they're fantastic. I don't think they're the best. I'm sure there's better ones out there, but for iPhone use, these are beautiful. What are your thoughts? Did you get AirPods 2? You got the originals? Let us know your thoughts down below. Questions, comments, concerns, also appreciated. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Nick helping you to master your technology. Be sure to be well, and peace.